Hi there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a playground slider.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Let's start by drawing the slider. First, draw two curved lines from the top left to the bottom right of your paper. These lines will make the slide where all the fun happens. Then, connect the ends of the curves at the bottom with a short, curved line.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's add a ladder so we can climb up to the slide.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Draw two straight lines next to the left side of the slide.
Do 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 do. Oh, do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Then, add little horizontal lines in between to make the steps. One step at a time. Great job! Now, let's make the slide sturdy by adding stands to hold it up. Our drawing is complete. But to make it pop, let's trace over all the lines with our black marker to make the outline bold and sharp. Wow! Look at our awesome slider, it's working perfectly.
Yay!
Now it's time to add some bright colors to our playground slider. We're going to use rainbow colors. Let's start coloring and name the colors together. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Look at our colorful playground slider. It looks amazing. You did such a great job. Don't forget to share your beautiful drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.